cultural and educational rights, saving of certain laws, and right to constitutional remedies. Now next comes our second set of rights, which are from Article 20 to 28 of the Declaration under Directive Principle of State Policy, which is from Article 36 to 51 of the Constitution. Now this right includes right to social security, right to work, free choice of employment, just and favorable condition of work and protection against unemployment, right to equal pay for equal work, right to existence worthy of human dignity, right to rest and leisure, and promotion of welfare of people, equal justice and free legal aid, and the principle of policy to be followed by the state. So this is the table which I have made. You can go through it, which almost covers every important articles both in UDHR and our Indian Constitution. Now case laws are very important for us. I have made efforts that in every answer I include case laws for you related to that answer. At least 2 case laws if you write in exam, it really gives you a 2-3 marks benefit. Now I have compiled here T.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal. Here the Supreme Court has revisited UDHR interpretation for interpreting our Constitution article. So which was that? UDHR's Article 5, that is, no one shall be subjected to torture or to cruel, inhuman and degrading treatment or punishment. This shows the concern while considering a writ petition on an issue of custodial death. The court considered that despite the pious declaration, the crime continues unabated, though every civilized nation shows its concern and takes steps for its eradication. Now, the next case law is Chairman Railway Board versus Chandrima Das, where a Bangladeshi woman was gang raped by an Indian Railway employee in a railway building. The court allowed compensation to the victim while laying for future references that relief could be granted to her under public law, as there was a violation of fundamental rights firstly, and secondly on the grounds of domestic jurisprudence based on constitutional principles, and also on the grounds of human rights jurisprudence based on UDHR 1948. Thus, the court laid a new branch of law, namely human rights jurisprudence, which was totally based on UDHR, and thus giving reference to the human rights under the Constitution of India. The court went to the extent of protecting the human rights at the expense of the state by allowing the victim a public law remedy when private law remedy was available to her. To be very short in this case law, the private law was already there to benefit her, but the court extended its hands towards human rights jurisprudence by including the public law remedy also, and this was the first reference given to human rights jurisprudence. Now, the Supreme Court went on to say that our Constitution guarantees all the basic and fundamental human rights set out in UDHR 1948 to its citizens and other persons. So this was all for today's lecture. It compiled UDHR and also comparison of Indian Constitution with UDHR with 2 case laws. Thank you so much. We will be back with other lectures too. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye.